Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find your EPP code for your DreamHost. So for example, if you want to transfer a domain to your DreamHost, you will need this EPP code or transfer authorization. So here on DreamHost, if you have here a domain, you will find it on transfer registrations, but I have my domain with GoDaddy. So I will find it here. On GoDaddy when you are on your portfolio, domain portfolio, and you here on overview. Now you need to scroll down until you see transfer, and here it is, transfer to another GoDaddy account or transfer to another register. So for example, let's click on this one. And now to see your transfer code, you need to click continue. And now they have sent the authorization code to your email, or you can also click here to see authorization code, and you will see it here, and you can just copy it to clipboard and use it for your own transfers. So the same is about DreamHost. Here you will also find a EPP code like so. So if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.